Hello, I'm Mrs. Lew. Let us look at this chemistry question. The atomic radii of 4 group 1 elements of the periodic table are given below. Okay, so we're given the atomic radius. Okay, what are the possible melting point of the 4 elements? Okay, so what is the trend of group 1 elements in accordance to the atomic radius? So does the atomic radius increase down group 1 or decrease down group 1? What do you think? Yes, you're correct. Atomic radius will increase down group 1, right? Because the number of shells increases. So group 1, the outermost electron is 1. As we go down, there are more shells. So it gets bigger. Okay, so more shells is bigger. My drawing is not so good, sorry. Okay, so we know according to the trend, the size increases. So the one on top should be Q first. Okay, so Q is right at the top. Okay, then we have S followed by P and R. Okay, so down the group, in group 1, Q, S, P, and R, because the size of the radius increases down group 1. How about the melting point in group 1? Melting point in group 1, do you think increases or decreases down the group? Yes, you're correct. So melting point actually decreases down the group. Why? Because as the size of the atoms become bigger, there's a weaker attraction for the electrons, between the electrons and the nucleus. Okay, so because there is a weaker electrostatic force of attraction between the electrons and the protons in the nucleus, so less energy is needed to overcome these electrostatic forces of attraction. So the melting point and boiling point decrease down group 1. Okay, so melting point, boiling point decrease down group 1. So this one should be the lowest, and Q should be the highest melting point. Okay, so the answer will be B. Okay, so R with the lowest, then followed by B, S, and Q is the highest. So this is correct. So you will need to know the trend in group 1 in order to solve this question. Thank you for joining me. Remember, you are a miracle.